10 reasons why you should invest $200,000 in a Gold IRA for long-term growth with best-rated Gold IRA companies. In today's unpredictable economy, securing your financial future is essential. A Gold IRA offers a powerful way to protect and grow your wealth. Here's why investing $200,000 in a Gold IRA with top-rated companies is a smart move. 1. Wealth preservation. Gold retains value through economic turbulence, unlike cash or digital assets that can lose purchasing power. 2. Portfolio diversification. Gold adds balance to your investments, reducing risk by counteracting market volatility. 3. Inflation hedge. Gold typically appreciates during inflation, safeguarding your wealth. 4. Tax benefits. Contributions may be tax-deductible, and gains can grow tax-deferred, enhancing compounding. 5. Stability. Unlike stocks, gold has proven long-term stability, making it a reliable choice for retirement savings. 6. Geopolitical protection. Gold is a safe haven during global conflicts, shielding your assets from instability. 7. Liquidity. Gold IRAs offer easy access to funds, combining liquidity with long-term investment security. 8. Legacy planning. Gold can be passed down, ensuring generational wealth preservation. 9. Strong performance. Gold has outperformed many traditional investments, particularly in downturns. 10. Expert management. Top-rated companies provide expert guidance, secure storage, and excellent customer service. Investing $200,000 in a Gold IRA is a strategic decision for long-term growth and financial security. Do you want to learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment? Download your free Gold IRA guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.